Howdy, dear friends of Zarana DIY community. Hope you're doing so well. Today we are going to make a very nice star-shaped beaded bag. You can make it as a mat or as a bag. You can make it as a vase, or you can put it in your home and put some lights in it and enjoy the nice view of your star-shaped crystal or beaded bag. Better to make it with number 10 beads. In each of them we have 6 flowers, as you see. For the start we have 6 beads in our line. The last one is cross. As you see, we go back to the line, and with the other line we have a knot. If it is hard for you, you can go through one bead from left to right and use it as a common bead. Now one flower is done. We are going to the next flower. For the next flower we have 5 beads in the left handed line, and the last one is cross, as you see. Now we want to make the second flower for the second row. As you see, we go through one bead, and now we have 2 beads in our lines. How many do we need? We need 4. 2 in our right, 2 in our left. The second one in the left one is common, which is cross between these 2 lines. Now we go through the second row. As you see, we have 5 beads in our right-handed line, and the last one is cross. It means we go back with the line to the last bead and pull until that the beads go to the end. And now take the left-handed line and make a knot in the bead that is cross, and it makes it very stiffened, and you can use it in more and more times rather than if you don't make these knots. Now we go through 2 beads with the lower line, and now we need only 3 beads. The last one is cross. We go back to the bead, and with the other line we go through to that and make a knot to have such nice 6 beaded flower again. And now go through 1 bead with the lower line. And how many beads do we need? We need 4 beads. 4 beads in the lower line, and the last one is cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4 beads in the left-handed, and now the last one is cross. Very good. Now we have a nice triangle. Half of these is made. Now we go through 1 bead with the lower line, and we have 2 beads in our line. And how many do we need to make 6? That's right, we need 4 beads to have this nice flower. 4 beads with the on the upper line, and now we go through 2 more beads and use 3 beads to make this flower. 3 beads in the lower line. 1, 2, 3, 3 beads in the lower line. And as you see, we want to make only one flower. We just go through 1 bead from the lower line. We go through 1 bead. That's it. And here we have 2 beads in our line. How many do we need? We need 4. 4 beads suffices to make this flower. And the last one is cross. We need 10 of these particles to make our star-shaped crystal or beaded bag.